Yo, what's going on, my fellow air gunners? Look at my morning heading to work. Look at all this freaking snow, man. I'm the only car on the road. The only guy. Unbelievable, man. It's looking like a ghost town out here. Look, all these cars parked. By 12 o'clock, they're all gonna be buried in. These are the New York ghetto projects right here. You know? Ghost town, guys. Ghost town. I'm stuck in the snow right now. Yeah, man. Get it right here. I hope all you guys that have snow where you guys are from get to work safe and sound, man. If you could call out, do it. See you on the next one. Your boy King Break Barrel. In and out.